Gịnị na-ese? Ndo na-ese. Sorry. Kedu onye ga-ebu ụzọ si ndo? Ndo mkpụrụ okwu na-atọ. Ọ bụ na anyị mụta ka eji asị ndo, ụzọ anyị emepe. Imilikiti ndị mmadụ nọ n'ọnọdụ ha nọ taa maka mkpụrụ okwu a na-atọ ndo. Mkpụrụ okwu a na-atọ egbochiela anyị ụzọ agamnihu. Ọtụtụ mmadụ na-ata afụfụ ha na-ata tata maka mkpụrụ okwu a na-atọ. Kedu ihe m eji si ndo? Why will I say sorry? Ịmakwa ihe o mere? Do you know what he or she did to me? And you are telling me to say I'm sorry. Ngala. Pride. Do you know my age? Imaho named. So what? No doubt. Manini dilundo. Ahụ gị chọrọ ndo. Ihe dulu gị na mma. Ị naghị asị ndo maka na ị kwesịrị isi ndo. Ma ọ bụ maka na ọ gị nwa mejọ. Mba. Ị na-asị ndo because you need your mental health. The truth of the matter is, no matter how you think you are comfortable having issues, you can't be. It is not possible. Nobody feels good, feels right having issues with people. You need to let go. You honestly need to let go. Enweghị mmadụ Chineke kere n'ụwa nga-asị gị na ya ji ọgbaghara ebu. Jiri ọgbaghara eri nri. Jiri esemokwu chichichi obi eri nri. Nke ahụ bụ asị. Ọ bụghị n'ụwa anyị nọ. Anyị mụta ka esi asị ndo. Sorry. Ndo. Gbaghara m. Ewe n'iwe. Anyị mụta ya. Anyị ga-aga ebe anyị atụghị anya n'ụwa. Because even God himself is watching. You can't preach otherwise and do otherwise. He is watching. The Bible says that a soft answer turns away wrath. Pride goes before a fall. You have to learn how to say, I am sorry. Sorry heals wound. I'm not saying that onye ahama biache na ya emelie gị. Forget it. Emelie mia. O mecha asị m ndo now. O mecha asị m sorry. Forget about that. At the end of the day, you will discover that you have peace. There is this peace and settlement that comes from within. You have it. I'm not even going to speak on the benefits of that when it comes to the Most High God. No. I'm kind of being practical, being real. Let's forget that God aspect, glorification part of it. We are concentrating on the part of nature aspect of this thing I'm saying. Can you more case in your family, in your workplace, in your business areas? Learn how to say, I am sorry. Let go. Let let things go. Let things go. We have a lot of things we are facing or we face that we shouldn't add unnecessary things to it. It's going to be big for us. It's going to be too big for us to handle. If there is anything you need in this life, it is peace of mind, peace of the heart, peace that comes from the within. And if you have it, you will know you have that peace. Can you more case as single? We'll go far in life. It's definitely going to take us far. It's not going to remove anything from you. It's not going to bring you down or diminish you. Never. It's not going to be like that. You're rather going to feel, be fulfilled in yourself, within yourself. Please, I beg each and every one of us to learn how to say, I am sorry. Ana m agwakwa ihe a ya na oyibo bekee asụsụ bekee ka ị nwee ike ịghọta ihe m na-ekwu mmali mkpa ihe a m na-ekwu dị. Ana m ekwu ihe a ka m feel ọnụ ma ka m kwuo okwu. I'm not just saying it because I just want to talk. No. I'm passing a message that will help us, because we all need peace. We need peace. We need harmony. We need this thing called peace. I know what I'm saying. So, that is all for now. Thank you for listening.